Wake up, new morning. Cold air fills my lungs. The sun begins to rise. You rub your tired eyes. Wake up, wake up. True north is calling. Compass needle guides our way. We fold these tattered maps into our canvas packs. Onward we go. With every single step, refreshed with every breath. Onward we go. All this time we wanted on our own. Away we go, away we go, away we go. Fearlessly we face the great unknown. Away we go, away we go, away we go. When I was young, left my mark on these mountains, aching for the time to come, to find myself inside, removed from fear and pride. Onward I go, my fickle-hearted cries to see celestial skies. Onward I go. All this time we wanted on our own. Away we go, away we go, away we go. Fearlessly we face the great unknown. Away we go, away we go, away we go. Away we go, away we go, away we go. These trails and trials shape who we become. I feel like I have known that all along. All this time we wanted on our own. Away we go, away we go, away we go. All this time we wanted on our own. Away we go, away we go, away we go. Fearlessly we face the great unknown. Away we go, away we go, away we go. Away we go, away we go, away we go.
All right, we are here at the Valley of Fire State Park in Nevada. And we're doing the fire wave. Something else. Loop.
I must be rubbing off.
It's supposed to be like right at a two-mile loop. It is an impressive area out here.
Yeah, it's real pretty.
So
But they have tarantulas, so we're on the lookout.
Yeah. So we're gonna take you along with us while we do this little hike.
If you don't know it about old Craig, I have a very healthy fear of spiders, so
Yes, he does.
tarantulas are not cool.
Scorpions aren't cool either, and I was stung by one at home.
Oh, we're still whining about that.
Yes. It was in my shoe.
I think we've talked more about that than we did the tree branch through my arm.
Oh my goodness. That's absolutely not true. I didn't cry about my scorpion.
Well, we almost moved though.
That is true. I do not like scorpions. I think it's, yeah, they hurt, but it's not necessarily about that. It's about the fact that they're so sneaky. They just get you when you least expect it. I was ready to move. I told Craig. This is beautiful.
Yep. When you have red colors, it's generally a sign of high iron content. And when you have green colors, it's typically a sign of high sulfur content.
Hmm. Incredible
It's a little
area.
violent through here with water running.
Oh yeah, you know. Would not want to get caught. Wait, are you sure you're going right?
No, I'm not.
Because there's a slot canyon on the map too.
Just a minute, I'll tell you. Yep, I'm right.
Okay. This seems pretty much like a slot canyon to me.
Yeah, it pretty much is.
And don't forget my legs are shorter than yours.
What?
Don't forget my legs are shorter than yours. Wow, this is so cool. Incredible. That slot canyon was cool.
Yep. Now check this out. You got all these layers in here, and then you got these vertical layers.
Yeah, I saw that on the side over there
crazy.
too.
Absolutely crazy.
Oh, yeah, we're coming up to the road.
There's cold.
Uh-huh. But the sun is warm.
Mm-hmm.
I'm guessing we're still going that way.
Oh.
You sure? Oh, Karen. There's a cairn to mark the way. This is an awesome hike. What do we do? Firewall and what was the other one?
Yeah. That's why if we have time we need to go on, well, it's not dinosaurs, it's
Far away. Far away.
Oh, sorry. I'm thinking computers.
Well,
Hello, how are y'all?
awesome.
How are you?
Good. Fire wave and
Oh no. I'm not exit. I thought it was asleep.
that is so cool. Woo, sand's thick here. Huh?
Did you run up there on top and I'll take a picture of you from here?
No. Lizards and such.
Right, so
Yeah.
scorpions. Oh,
I
yeah, they got those big scorpions out here.
I didn't see any scorpions on the sign, so that means they don't have them. Just tarantulas. Oop, there's one right there.
That's not funny. That's not funny at all.
I thought it was. It was great.
So all of a sudden felt the hair on the back of my neck stand up.
I saw you stop. Holy moly. And here we are. So we did the Fire Wave and the Seven Wonders Loop, which is 1.8 miles. We started with the Fire Wave loop, area trailhead, and then went around to the Seven Wonders was the last bit of it. The first mile was not hard at all. The last probably 3/4 of a mile was pretty challenging just because of all the sand. It was very deep sand in some areas. And then a lot of uphill, I mean, comparatively to the first part of the trail. Still wasn't horrible as far as the up went, but the sand made it difficult. But it was a really nice hike. Beautiful
rock formations. Really cool.
Yeah, extremely nice. Enjoyed it.
So if you get out to Vegas, would highly recommend doing this over the Strip.
Yes, definitely.
It's a lot cheaper.
Yeah, for sure.
Anyhow.
It was nice. We're going to go check out the visitor center, and then we're going to head over to Hoover Dam and check out Lake Mead.
Yeah, what's left of it.
Yeah.
Bye, y'all.
Follow the mountain trails, my hands brush over the rear. You lead me over the hill, I know that we'll reach a sea. To my love, to my love, to my love, to my love. left the road a long time ago. We've trusted the trail, and though we are now so far from home, we'll keep on, keep on. The forest swallows us whole in shadows and shade, but we will never be left alone as long as I'm on my way to my love, to my love. Walking longer than we've ever gone, but this mountain trail will teach us a new song. We've been walking longer than we've ever gone, but this mountain trail will teach us a new song.